Hello, I'm Teacher Terry, and welcome to today's IP English Time class for P5. So today it's lesson 21, and we're looking at phonics. These sounds: AI, AY, A something E. But first, let's check our homework from the last video. So workbook, page 77, activity number 1 and activity number 3. And here are the answers. So number 2, Monday. Number 3, race. Number 4, train. Number 5, tray. Number 6, case. And part 3, circle the correct spelling. We have tray, race, train, Monday, case, and rain. Okay, and also from the class book on page 83, exercise 4. So you can see the answers here. We've got rain, case, tray, train, race. So well done if you got those correct. Okay, so do you remember the sounds? Rain, rain. Number 2. Train, train. Number 3. Monday, Monday. 4. Train, train. Number 5. Case, case. Number 6. Race, race. AI, AY, and A something E. Do you remember? So, what words for AI? Remember the sounds? We had rain and rain. Train and rain. The AY, A. Do you remember the words? Monday and tray. Tray. And A something E, do you remember? We had race and case. Race and case. So well done if you remember those. Okay, now what other words have these sounds? Well, we went to find out. Okay, now let's find some more words. AI. How about Spain? Spain is a very hot country. I want to go to Spain. Next one. AY. A. Way. Way. What way is the canteen? I'm very hungry. So am I. This way. Okay, next one. A something E. Place. Place. What place are you in now? Now I'm in the school. So am I. What place are you in? Hi, Teacher Lisa. How are you?
Hello, I'm good. And you?
Okay, good. Teacher Lisa, what word can you think of with AI?
Chain.
Chain.
Like I have a chain for my mask.
Very good. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Teacher Lisa. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Teacher Val. How are you?
Oh, Teacher Terry, I'm fine. Thank you.
Good. Okay, Teacher Val, I have a word for you.
Wow.
Okay.
What
now,
is this?
Okay, that's AY. Can you think of a word with AY?
Maybe play?
Good one. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you like to play?
Oh, I think I like to play football.
Me too. Okay.
Oh, great.
Okay, good. Thank you, Teacher Val. See you later.
See you later.
Bye-bye. Hi, Teacher Joe. How are you today?
Hello, Teacher Terry. I'm very well, thank you.
Okay, I've got a word for you. Now, can you think of a word, A something E?
Space.
Space. That's a good word.
Space. Like astronauts go to space in a rocket.
Good. Very good. Okay. Well, thank you, Teacher Joe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Teacher Terry.
Okay, so now it's time to look in our class books on page 83. So make sure you have your class book, your pens and paper ready. Okay, so page 83, activity number 2, and we're going to listen to the story. Okay, so are you ready to listen? Here we go.
Listening 96. Listen and chant. It's Monday today, and I can play. Outside there's rain, but I'm in with my trains. I open my case, and the trains have a race.
Okay, very good. So you can see lots of words with these sounds. Now, what we need to do is, if you read the chant again and circle the words with AI, AY, or A something E. And if you want, you can write it in your notebook or circle in your class book. So Monday, I can see one, and today, I can circle. Okay, so read and circle. And then in your workbook, look on page 77, exercise 2, and we have to write the correct words. So it's Monday, and I can, if I can't remember, I can look in my class book. Okay, so write the word there in your book or on the note paper. Okay, good. So well done. It's time now to say bye-bye for today. Okay, and we'll see you again next time. I'm Teacher Terry, and bye-bye.